Hey, this is Sebastian from socialanxietysolutions.com, former social anxiety disorder sufferer, social confidence coach. I have a really cool, exciting thing for you. And so it's 4:37 in the morning. I just came from this awesome salsa festival in Bangkok, Kolada. And here's some quick footage. And afterwards, I was talking with my friend Jorge about rejection, and I'm just excited at how free I am, and that party that you just saw. I walked into that party last Thursday, and like I said, there's no anxiety. I've been anxiety free for a long time, but I noticed that I wasn't as confident as I usually was. Like, okay, or as I usually am. All right, what's that about? And it took me 2 minutes to shift it. All that it was like I kind of picked up on the energy of like, oh, everyone is trying to be a better dancer than others here, so I feel like a not good enough dancer. I only danced for a year. Most people are dancing for, many years. Some, many of the professional dancers, which there are a ton, are like dancing for 10, 15 years. So of course I'm not going to be as good as them at dancing, but there's no reason really for me to feel insecure about that. So anyway, it took a little bit of tapping, 2 minutes, and for the rest, I'm having an amazing time. And I want to get you to feel and believe that that's possible for you too. And then I had an idea, which I shot a little video for right after we walked down at the end of the festival and we sat down. So here's that video. Yeah? Hello, this is Bastiaan van der Schrier from socialanxietysolutions.com, and I'm sitting here. My friend Jorge was holding the camera, and we just came from salsa festival, and I'm in a good mood because of dancing and because of this beautiful shake. It's 3:30 in the morning, makes me happy. And I'm gonna give away an extra super mega special bonus. Jorge, do you know what it is?
No, I have no idea.
You have no idea? Okay, let me tell you. It's a secret, I can't tell you. But this, what should I just say what it is? Why all these secrets?
Right.
Jorge, huh?
Right. Go ahead.
All right. Anyway, I'm having a good time. I want everyone to have a good time, and the big challenge that I'm dealing with is convincing people that you can actually make this transformation. And you can, you just need to put in the work, you need to put in the effort, you need to tap on the right things in the right way over a period of time and persist. And then you can free yourself and feel you're relaxed and at ease, and then you have a good time. Anyway, so my challenge is convincing people. Now, what I found in my online community, the social confidence community, is that one thing that we're doing there is live webinars where I take a volunteer and I coach that particular person on their social anxiety issue. And that person that I work with has their own unique issue. Hold on, Jorge. This has their own unique issue. But everyone that watches the webinar can relate to it. So I might be working with Jimmy, and Jimmy has a fear of disapproval. Well, everyone that's watching that can relate to that. And even though the person watching it, the people watching it might have a different cause for why they have a fear of disapproval, when I work with Jimmy and I do the tapping, it clears it for Jimmy, and the people that are watching it, they also make progress. They also release some of their anxiety. They also release some or all of that problem with disapproval. And so that's been very inspiring for people, and it has given people a lot of hope because they're watching the transformation on screen, and also you're making changes yourself. So what is the bonus? Wow, drum roll. So the bonus is I'm going to do one live webinar. So when you get create emotional 3:30 in the morning, when you get incredible emotional control before June 11th, before June 11th, midnight Eastern Standard Time, actually June 10th, midnight, June 10th, 23:59 Eastern Standard Time. This is the bonus that you'll get. On top of the other bonus that is only for the first 50. So if you're after the first 50, you won't get the original bonus, but then you get this amazing bonus. All right, so get on it, get that program here, and I'll talk to you soon. Yeah, good stuff. Thanks, Jorge.
All right, cut.
Okay, so I just watched my own video. It's not super clear, so let me just be very super crystal clear about what this extra bonus is. This extra bonus is you can attend a live webinar where I coach you if you want to volunteer, or someone else. I'll be coaching someone on that webinar on their social anxiety issue. It's a live webinar that you can call into. You can stay totally anonymous and you can just watch and observe, or you can participate. It's up to you. At the end of the webinar, there will be questions and answers. And what I also didn't make clear in this quick video that I shot out of the blue was that you'll be tapping along with that video, or you'll be tapping along with that live webinar. So I work with quote unquote Jimmy on his fear of disapproval, and you're tapping and you're saying what Jimmy is saying, and your subconscious will somehow link that to your own issues. And in EFT they call it your borrowing benefits. And it's been tremendously helpful for the people in my online community, and this is going to be tremendously helpful for you too. So to summarize, create emotion. Forgive me, it's really early, really late rather. Create incredible emotional control. What's inside that program? Well, just off the top of my head, there's Tapping Mastery. It's a 4-hour long course where I teach you the best of my tapping techniques. All the best things that I've summarized specifically apply to overcoming social anxiety with lots of client examples. You'll be able to relate to the issues you'll be able to relate to the problems that I'm explaining from the clients that I used to work with. You'll feel inspired and you'll feel motivated because you see how this is actually something that you can do step by step, because it will make logical sense for you and things will start to click. And because I break it down to such detail, you kind of have the sense like, wow, this is actually quite easy and straightforward. I didn't know that yet. Now I know what to do. And I understand why I was stuck before. Now I know how to solve that stuckness and get unstuck, and so I can get progress where before maybe I couldn't release emotions, or I couldn't release beliefs, or I couldn't get past resistance. So all of that is in that tapping course. It's the best of what I've learned from all my studies of EFT, and I kind of summarize Pro EFT, SET, original EFT, and I add my own twist to it. So that's one. Then there's how to neutralize any negative limiting belief, and then there is how to overcome any negative limiting emotion. It's early. And there's also a replay of a live webinar, 30-minute replay, and a whole bunch of other amazing stuff. I don't know what's in it anymore. So that's the great stuff. And then on top of that, you get you can participate. Either just watch anonymously, nobody knows that you're doing it, and you get the replay after it's done. A live webinar where you see me coaching someone, you see that person make a transformation on screen. So it's undeniable that this stuff works and that it works for other people, and that when you tap along, you're gonna get those shifts and benefits as well. And then you feel the changes in your body, and that's what convinces you. It's not more research, it's not more science, it's not me talking about results from my clients or video testimonials. All of that I've already done. It's you getting real results, and this is gonna help move the needle for you. And you get all of this at the discounted rate of $89 only. And that deal is offered to you until June 10th, 23:59. After that, the bonus goes away and the price will go up. So create incredible emotional control using the following link: bit.ly/get emotional control. So that is bit.ly/get GET emotional EMOTIONAL controls CONTROL, or click the link below this video. Now, if you're using a podcast, or if you're listening to the podcast, I just want you to know that all these podcasts that you're getting are actually the audio of videos that I'm recording. I have a YouTube channel, youtube.com/Sebastian, SEBASTIAAN, DOC. So go check it out. Thank you very much. And get that and start making changes. Get rid of that social anxiety, unlock your social ease so you can be free, have a great time, enjoy yourself socially, connect with others, and create satisfying relationships so you can hang out with people and have a good time, and that socializing energizes you. All right, signing off. Bye for now.